In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam fatal error. If Steam is throwing a fatal error, it usually points to a temporary glitch, a permissions problem, or a corrupted cache or installation. We'll move from the quickest fixes to the more thorough one. So follow along in order and test Steam after each step. Start by giving Steam and your computer a clean slate. Completely close Steam through the Task Manager so nothing is lingering in the background. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Find any Steam processes and end them. Once Steam is closed, restart your computer. This clears out stuck services, frees memory, and refreshes Windows components Steam relies on. After the reboot, launch Steam normally and see if the error is gone. This alone often resolves issues caused by stalled updates or background hangs. If the error persists, elevate Steam's permissions. Right-click your Steam shortcut or executable, choose Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator and click Apply. Running as admin ensures Steam can update itself, write to protected folders, and access services without being blocked by Windows permissions. Close the Properties window, then launch Steam again, using that shortcut so the new setting takes effect. Next, clear Steam's download cache from inside the app. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart automatically. This step wipes temporary files that can become corrupted and cause fatal errors. Update loops or stalled downloads. When Steam relaunches, be ready to sign back in, as clearing the cache logs you out. Your library and purchases remain tied to your account, so nothing is lost. If none of the above works, refresh the installation, go to Windows Settings or the Control Panel and uninstall Steam. This targets a damaged client install that the previous steps can't fix. When it's removed, download the latest installer from the official Steam website and run it. Installing the current version replaces core files, restores default configurations, and eliminates corrupted components. Make sure you are using a stable internet connection during setup and only download from the official site. Your purchases will be available once you sign in again, and you can reinstall games as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.